Hi guys, I am Nigel Car. Today we're going to be overviewing this whole car show. If you're disturbed by the car that's pulling out, it's that Racing Monte Carlo right there. So we see a lot of BMWs, Maserati, Slug Bug, BMW wagons, and all the way down there I saw an SF90 Stradale. Not my previous video though. Got a Diablo down there. And it's pretty loud. I mean, we got a Gallardo down there. Everything's pretty sick. But personally, my favorite car is there's this lime green McLaren down there. If you